Dry machining, what does it mean to you? Well, I'm at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions and with Trevor Matthews. We're about to see a demonstration on a piece of P20 tool steel, so stick around for that. But firstly, Trevor, I want to know, in your words, why you would use dry machining. Why would you use this technique?
What it boils down to, Paul, is this green machining. Okay, we're taking away the use of oils, so basically we can cut down on cost for coolant, getting rid of coolant.
Is there any limitations? Is there any drawbacks? You know, am I going to have an inferior surface finish? Am I going to cut to the same tolerances? I know it's going to be application specific, but is there, you know, are they risks?
Not really, no. All the heat from this component is dissipated through the chips. Okay. Again, we're in with Dormer tooling. Okay, so we're using a 50mm mill for the top. The rest is basically a mills as well.
Okay, so now is it down to this tooling then, Trevor? Is this something that is one of the biggest considerations in dry machining? What inserts you're using, all of that, or is it the machine?
A lot of it's down to the inserts, Paul. Okay, again, we're using Dormer inserts, high grade inserts, for specifically dry machining.
Now, what's interesting about this that you're going to see in a minute is this. Firstly, we're going to basically do some intermittent cutting. So we're going to essentially face the top off, aren't we? So we've got a clean billet, then to do the demonstration. Intermittent cutting, P20 with no coolants. That's quite hard.
Very hard steel. Very, very hard steel. Again, like I said, all the heat will be dissipated through the chips, and when the component is finished, the component is stone cold. We are using air blast. Okay, again, this is to help with chip dissipation, but again, like I said, the component will be stone cold at the end.
Okay, now this is a Storm VMC, one of your latest additions, isn't it, the Storm VMCs to your range? Quite a sturdy, robust model?
All our Storm VMCs, right, from the 1050 here down to the 600, which we have on shore here at our Ellen facility, all very robust machines, strong, sturdy base, strong, sturdy machine.
Okay, right, let's see this demo in action.